Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 9, and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM card into this phone. So to get started, you will need to grab a SIM eject tool similar to this one, which should come provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it should work just as well. Now once you have either one of those, you can then pop out the tray, which is located at the bottom of the device right over here. Now you'll find two different holes here. You want to utilize the one that is part of this cutout right here, closer to the edge. It's this one right here. Now once it's in there, push it in, and you can see that the tray pops out enough for you to pull it out. On the tray, you have space for a single SIM card. So place it like so with the chip side facing up. There we go. Make sure that it is clipped in place correctly. It should not be protruding from the tray, and it should not be falling out of the tray if you flip it upside down. And then simply pop it back into your phone. As you can see, it automatically pops up with the enter SIM card pin, assuming you have one. I do. So I'm going to confirm my pin. This will unlock my SIM card. And that's it. Now I am in airplane mode, so it won't really show up with anything else. Now, with that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.